Pronounce big numbers 10 to the third power to 10 to the 30,003rd power. So here we go. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion, 1 quadrillion, 1 quintillion, 1 sextillion, and then 1 septillion, 1 octillion, 1 nonillion, 1 decillion, 1 undecillion, 1 duodecillion, 1 tridecillion, 1 quattrodecillion, 1 quindecillion, and then 1 sextillion, 1 septendecillion, and 1 octodecillion, 1 novemdecillion, 1 vigintillion, 1 unvigintillion, 1 duovigintillion, or sexygentillion you can call it, and then we get 1 trivigintillion, and we get 1 quattrovigintillion, 1 quinvigintillion, amounts of atoms in the universe, 100 quinvigintillion, 1 sexvigintillion, 1 septemvigintillion, 1 octovigintillion. Yes, this has been amount of possible seating plans in one class with 30 students, 113 octovigintillion, 367 septemvigintillion, 1 novemgentillion, 1 trigentillion, 1 untrigentillion, 1 duodrigentillion, 1 Google, or 1 10-duodrigentillion. In fact, here is the number. Here is 1 Google. Apparently, it turns out that if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. 1 trigentillion, and then 1 quadrotrigentillion, 1 quintrigentillion, 1 sextrigentillion, 1 septentrigentillion, 1 octotrigentillion, 1 novemvigintillion, 1 quadrigentillion, 1 unquadrigentillion, 1 duoquadrigentillion, 1 triquadragentillion, and then this is 1 quadriquadragentillion, 100 and this is 1 quinquadragentillion. It's getting harder to pronounce these numbers actually, but 1 sexquadragentillion, 1 septemquadragentillion, 1 octoquadragentillion. When this is what I call the 10 to the 150 number, which is actually, believe it or not, 1 novemquadragentillion, 1 quinquadragentillion, 1 unquinquadragentillion, and then we get 1 unquinquadragentillion. Just joking, it's actually 1 duoquinquadragentillion, 1 triquinquadragentillion, 1 quattroquadragentillion. Okay, I'm not sure this is crap, but yeah. 1 quinquadragentillion, and 1 sexquinquadragentillion, 1 septemquinquadragentillion, 1 octoquinquadragentillion, and then this is 1 novemquinquadragentillion, 1 sexygentillion. Amount of Planck nebs in the universe, 10 to the 185. 1 unsexygentillion, 1 duosexygentillion, 1 trisexygentillion, 1 quattrosexygentillion, 1 quinsexygentillion, 10 Google cubed, or 100 quinsexygentillion, 1 sexygentillion. No sexy number, don't say it in the comments. 1 septemsexygentillion, 1 octosexygentillion, and then this is 1 novemsexygentillion, 1 septuagentillion, 1 unseptuagentillion, 1 duoseptuagentillion. Oh, and if you can't hear things fast, then you can also slow down the video. And this is next 1 triseptuagentillion, 1 quattroseptuagentillion, and 1 quinseptuagentillion, 1 sexseptuagentillion, 1 septuagentillion, 1 octoseptuagentillion, 1 novemseptuagentillion, 1 octogentillion, 1 octogentillion, 1 duooctogentillion, 10 duooctogentillion. Google to the power of itself 2.5 times. This isn't. I think it's not irrational. I think apparently this is the next number. 1 tray. This number is 1 tray octogentillion, 1 quattro octogentillion, 1 quin octogentillion, 1 sex octogentillion, and then we get 1 septem octogentillion, 1, and then we get, get this, believe it or not, 1 octogentillion, 1 novem octogentillion, 1 nonagentillion, 1 unnonagentillion, 1 duo nonagentillion, 1 tray nonagentillion, and then this is 1 quattro nonagentillion, 1 quin nonagentillion, 1 sex nonagentillion, 1 septem nonagentillion, 1 octononagentillion, and then this is Google cubed, or get this, 1 novem nonagentillion, and this is 10 novem nonagentillion, 100 novem nonagentillion, 1 centillion. But we're not done yet. 1 uncentillion, largest number that normal calculators can register, which is about 180 uncentillion. And get this next number is 1 decicentillion, and then this is apparently 1 ducentillion, or 1 true centillion, and this is 1 Google chime, which let me try and research how to pronounce it. Okay, I found the pronunciation. It was 10 Octogentillion. Okay, but let's move on. 1 quadrentillion, 1 quingentillion, 1 sexygentillion, 1 septingentillion, 1 octogentillion, 1 novem nonagentillion, and 1 nonagentillion, and this is 10 to the 3000th power, or you could even call it this number if you want to do it. It's 1 novem nonagentillion, 10 novem nonagentillion, 100 novem nonagentillion, 1 millennium. But we're not done yet, so we still have to go bigger. Unmillennium. Okay, 1 unmillennium, and then get this, 1 duomillennium, 1 trimillennium, 1 quadrimillennium, and then this is actually 1 Marioplex, and then this is 10 to the 12,000 meters quadrimillennium, and this is 1 quinmillennium, 1 sexmillennium, and 1 septimillennium, and then this next number is 1 octomillennium, and yes, this next one is actually 10 to the 27,000 feet, or 1 nonagen, or 10 novem millennium, or 1 novem millennium. And what's your guess? What's your guess at this number? 10 to the 30,000. Leave it in the comments below. But apparently, it turns out that it's a big number. But this next number, which I'm finally gonna stop at, is 1 decimillennium. And Splatoon Agent, if you're watching this, goodbye.